Password reset not sending email on Ally InvestFix. So, you've clicked forgot password on Ally Invest, but the reset email never shows up. It's a common issue and surprisingly, it's usually not Ally's fault. Let's go through exactly how to fix it and get you back into your account fast. First, open your spam or junk folder. Most of the time, the reset email from Ally Invest is hiding there. Look for messages from Separately.com or No Reply.com. You can also search your inbox for Ally to make sure it's not sitting in another tab, like promotions or updates. If you still don't see it, confirm that you're using the correct email address linked to your Ally Invest account. Many users have multiple emails or use a different one for banking and investing. Try re-entering the email and resending the reset link. Next, at Ally, come to your Safe Sender list. This helps future Ally emails reach your inbox instantly instead of being flagged as spam. If you've done all that and still no email after 15 minutes, go to Ally.com and use the chat feature or call customer service at 1-855-880-2559. They can manually reset your password after verifying your identity. Most people think the system is down, but here's the surprising truth: in almost every case, the message is either blocked or delayed by email filters. Once you regain access, take a minute to double-check your recovery email and set up multi-factor authentication. It'll make password recovery easier and keep your investments even more secure. With these steps, you'll be back in control of your Ally Invest account and trading with confidence in no time.